Mark again, RPM Tesla, Model Ys, Junipers, the standard range, and the performance. We've got some great upgrades today. We're going to do a series of videos, but let's take the easiest one. The 21-inch Arachnid wheels. Aren't they beautiful? These are really nice. They come with several, about 10 spacers that space out and block the beautiful performance calipers. So what we've done in this video is we've pried off the larger ones, the 5 outer ones. It doesn't damage your wheel if you use a plastic tool and a little rubbing compound. It takes out the little marks at the bottom, as you can see up here in close up. But what we've done today is we are introducing this simple product. This is carbon fiber paint protection film. This film is installed over the plastic piece. You can pop it right out, install the film. We're going to show you how to do it. We think it adds a great accent to the vehicle, just like a lot of our products do. Turn signal covers, mirror caps. We're working on the side skirts we're going to install today. But again, these 5 pieces, if you can use a squeegee, a little soap, you can really make this pop. Center hubs. We've been making carbon fiber center wheel hubs. We started off with the Model 3 in 2018. So we're going to have this beautiful carbon fiber hub available soon as well. Again, a little accent for the beautiful 21-inch Arachnid 2.0 wheels. Okay, we're going to show you how to install one right now. It takes minutes. Here's what you're going to get when you open up the package. We're going to give you a soap concentrate solution that'll allow you to use the material and be able to spread it around and put it on the way we're going to show you. And this is it. This is enough pieces, 22 pieces total, to do all 4 wheels as well as a couple of spares. So sometimes when you're installing something that's vinyl or urethane, you need extras. So we're going to have 4 of these with the cutouts and all the rest of the pieces. So let's pause real quick. We'll grab one and we'll show you how easily you can install each of these 22 pieces. Okay, again, this kit is for the 5 outer spoke pieces. To remove one, just simply grab it and pull and hold it with your hand so you don't drop it. That's it. Now we're going to go over to the table. Okay, now preparation. You need a clean surface free of oil, dirt, and debris. Alcohol, rubbing alcohol. After soap, maybe after a car wash, whatever you're doing to get it ready, but you have to get it clean. Now, while we're cleaning that and wiping it down, we're going to show you again that this is not vinyl. This is thick, 10-year warranted paint protection film. It's made out of urethane. It's self-healing. We can scratch it and it'll heal. So when it's on your car, like it is installed on this front wheel here, if rocks hit it, debris hits it, any chips, it's going to save and protect those plastic pieces as well as self-heal in the sunlight. It's really amazing. Okay, so we're back. We're ready to go. It's all cleaned up. And again, we're continuing with our real-time installation. It's going to take some time to do 20 pieces, 5 per wheel. But right now we've used the soap solution. We've mixed it with water and it's a little soapy. And again, this is just Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo. We do a quick wipe down to make sure it's real clean, no debris. And then we do it one more time. And we don't normally do this outside in the California sun, but we're doing it today. So now we're going to peel one from the sheet, and as we peel it, we want to get it wet. We want to squirt the back and the front and our fingers. So that way we just place it down kind of like a piece of wet pizza going into the oven. Just place it exactly where you want it, and as soon as you get the edges lined up, you're going to use the squeegee we include, and you're going to just squeegee it off. And when you squeegee it off, you're using the water on the top to push the water out on the bottom, and then the adhesive tacks. It's that simple. So you got to keep it wet. You got to have water on top, and if you use a little rubbing alcohol, that helps tack it as well. But just take your time. That's why we give you extra ones. They're really hard to destroy. And again, once you're pushing it out, just make sure the edges are good and you're not hanging off the edges. If you are, you're just going to slide it over and reposition it. But again, you just do the top, and then you're going to do the radius. So it has a curve in it, as we know. Just use your hands to roll it over and slide it all the way down. Look at that. It's a beautiful laser cut piece that we put in here. This is cut on our plotters, and we designed these ourselves, and we're sure everyone's going to want to copy them. because it's a great idea to install a product that's going to last. And it's really going to make the wheels just have a little extra style, sportiness. Okay, that's it. Now let this dry. Repeat the same thing on the other 19 pieces. And then you're going to walk back over to the car. And again, it's pinching and it's holding on the back where these metal brackets never touch anything. So this is what opens and closes right here. So we'll show you now that what's going on. Unlike the larger pieces, these actually sit in a nice groove. So a lot of people have been posting images, and this doesn't look good. Who wants to look at this big opening with these notches? We think you can see plenty of the calipers by just putting this in place. So here's what's going to happen. These are going to contract. It's going to slide around here and lock in place. And the metal never touches anything. Now you're going to line it up. So these two plastic pieces, metal pieces, are going to be held on here. So all you're doing is pushing it in. Watch this. Ready? Go. And that's it. It's on. It's gone. And look at that. Looks great in the sun or shade. And again, this is a carbon fiber pattern, and it's urethane paint protection film. Once it's done, it's going to look just like this. So here you can see the valve for the valve stem. Trying to stay out of the sunlight, but look at this from this angle. Doesn't this look amazing? Again, this is a real carbon fiber pattern over your current plastic ABS pieces. And it leaves it all open. You can see the rotor's perfect, calipers. We have red tees, white tees that fit these specific hubs. So we'll be coming out with these soon. So if you want a little Tesla pop with the logo, enjoy your beautiful calipers, your beautiful wheels, and your performance Model Y. Now, next up in this series, we're putting on our side skirts. Now, the side skirts were designed for this Model Y Juniper, but it also fits all other Model Ys made from 2020 to present.